So here is another reason why we should avoid eating food that are rich in processed sugar. So we know that excess sugar is not only just empty calories, it weakens your immune system. And there are multiple studies right now that it actually hinders how your white blood cell function, how it reduces their ability to move, to identify and destroy pathogens. This suppression can last hours after consumption, leaving you more vulnerable to infection and even cancer. Elevated sugar also disrupts gut microbiome balance, which is crucial for immune regulation, and it triggers chronic inflammation. Stop it! Stop eating processed sugar.